I know. She's the daughter-in-law of your family. She probably prepared the sweet just as a hobby. But she could... Oh, Mithai is here.
Yes.
Mithai, can you prepare good exotic sweets? Virgin jaggery or any other delicious sweet. I need these tomorrow only.
Grandfather?
How many do you want?
500 pieces. Oh, I think that won't be possible.
Mithai? Can you do this?
Why not, grandfather? Of course I can do this. I have the entire night in hand. You will get some fresh sweets tomorrow.
Samresh, are you okay with this? Som?
Yes, it's okay with me.
Okay, now please have some sweets.
You will make everyone crazy by serving such delicious sweets.
Gosh, what's going on here? Now, if proper delivery doesn't happen tomorrow, I'll be embarrassed again. I can't take this anymore. Why do people get crazy about sweets? I never get it.
Oh, grandfather, please come here. Please see if the dough is all right. Should I make it drier?
Mithai, I feel like learning this craft by watching you.
What's going on?
How can you know the dough is right?
No, never tell her anything. Sweet makers should have some secrets.
Father!
Father is in his element again. Hey, Dad, we all know what the recipe of that sweet is. I mean, who doesn't know to prepare it?
No, uncle.
There she goes.
The quality of dough makes a lot of difference. First, the consistency should be proper. Then the flavor of jaggery should be good too.
Jaggery? Oh my god. I remember something regarding this jaggery.
What?
Your father used to do something regarding this jaggery. A person named Madhusudan used to supply jaggery. We used to like the quality of the jaggery. But your father used to drive him mad.
Mom, lastly you people started preparing jaggery at home, right?
If we can do everything on our own, taste of the sweet reaches a
Yes,
different
true.
level.
Amaresh,
Yes, Dad.
who delivered this chickpea? Is it
Yes.
from our supplier of the shop?
Yes, they did. Why are you asking?
It's releasing too much water. Hey, Mithai,
Yes,
come here.
Yes.
Come,
tell me.
dry this stuff.
Yes,
Press it well.
yes. Okay.
Grandpa, what did you just say? Press it well. How would she do that?
We need to pack the coated cheese and hang it for some time so that all the water drains out.
Oh my lord, such an exhausting process. Hey, listen, Mithai, when you make the round balls, call me then, okay? Get aside.
You must try to tell once. She has been asking me again and again.
Me? Oh no. I can't do this. Listen, if Grandma comes to know that you won't be home, she'll be very angry. Talk to Mithai.
But she is also very busy.
Grandfather, please
Yes.
go and rest. I'll call you when it is done.
Will you manage?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let me see.
Mithai, can you seek permission on my behalf?
What?
Listen, Neepa wants to spend the day tomorrow at a friend's place. I mean, she wants to be there for the entire day. But Grandma doesn't like these things.
Tell me, Shri. Can we live with so many restrictions? All my friends live such a cheerful life.
Okay. Be quiet for now. Mithai will take care of it.
Hey girls, what are you whispering about?
Oh, nothing, Aunt. Grandmother, I have something to tell you.
What's going on?
Oh, grandmother. I was saying, Sister Nipa's friend has called her to spend the day together. Can she go, please?
No, never. I won't allow her to stay somewhere else all day. Nipa, ask your friend to come to our house.
Oh, Grandma, how will that work? Actually, Meghna has brought too many dresses. She wants to show it to me and many lipsticks too.
Hey, grandmother, please let her go. Okay, listen. She will go in the morning and can come home early. Please, grandmother.
You get the topper?
Hmm.
See how clever my daughter is. She has roped in the right person for this purpose.
Hey Amresh, do you remember we used to do the same thing with Sid's
Of
mother?
course I remember.
I too remember. And Aarti used to convince your mother. Amresh used to seek her help for his matches. When Appa wanted to go for a movie or fair, she was the rescuer. Sushma, you can't stop them. Let her go. Like you could never say to Sid's mother. In the same way, you can't say no to Mithai.
Okay, all right, Mithai. Nipa, you must come back before the evening.
Thank you, grandmother. Sister Nipa, it's done. Cottage cheese. Oh my lord, the cottage cheese.
He's here. Hey, Shom. Where are you going again? Dinner is about to be served shortly.
Uncle, I've ordered food. I'm going to go and fetch it.
Hey,
Why? Shom, why did you order food outside?
I have no right to have food in this house.
What? Hey Shom, what are you saying? How can these things even come to your mind? I really can't get it. Shom, if you talk like this, you will break father's heart. This will destroy father.
Who am I on top of? Why would Grandpa get hurt if I say something?
Shame on you, Som. What are you saying? How could you say such a thing? We are so dependent on you, Som. It's you only who brings monthly medicines for us.
Shom, listen to me. I don't understand if Mithai has joined the business. Why do you think yourself inferior?
Wait a minute, Uncle. Why are you dragging Mithai into all this? I couldn't perform. You have the right to bring new people on board. Siddharth's boss also declared that that sweet is the best sweet. What more I can say?
Shom, Siddharth's boss is our old customer and he is a connoisseur of sweets. He thought that the quality dropped and so he said that. And at the same time, he liked our sweets also. That's why he gave the order to Mithai. So many like him would have placed new orders. Who will benefit by that?
I know, Grandpa. Siddheshwar Modak Group will profit. I have the brains to understand that. Doesn't matter that your sons of this generation aren't involved in the business. The granddaughter-in-law has come to bring profit. What more do you want? Uncle Amresh, please tell your brother to throw a party. The Modak family must celebrate.
Listen, Shom, listen. Shom! What is wrong with this boy? How will Mithai work in the base kitchen, Dad? Shom will never let her.
That is why I have been telling you, don't drag our daughter-in-law into family business. If Mithai gets involved in the business, she will have to take charge over her husband's elder brother.
Oh, grandmother. Mithai will never give any order. Shom controls the business. Mithai is just an employee.
So, Shoma, the foundation of sweet business is the art of preparation. Mithai is a good sweet maker. Despite knowing it, should I stop her? Without a talented sweet maker, you cannot run a sweet business for long. Agarwal's strategy is different. Siddheshwar Modak won't follow that strategy. Customers come to our shop for our heritage. This has just got proved. Or else Bhawanipur shop couldn't make profit by selling a normal sweets. Mithai,
Yes, grandfather.
you have to tread very carefully, child. You have a different struggle in front of you. Do you understand?
Give me your blessings, grandfather. Mithai won't let you down.
Exactly. Spoken like the granddaughter-in-law of Siddheshwar Modak.
Sister Shri, are you done with the boxes?
We are doing it. Wait. We can't work at the speed you do.
But the customer will come any moment. What will you tell him then? If we had a big container, grandmother, Mithai would have finished earlier. Uncle, are you done with the packing?
Yes, almost done. Wait, let me check what these girls are doing. You will finish at the dusk, it seems. Give it to me.
Take these.
Give.
And these
They
as
will
well.
be here any
Take
moment.
this. Oh no. The packet is torn. This paper is of bad quality.
Oh Lord, we are doing it at home. This is not a shop. Your father used to do the same.
Sushma, we are sweet sellers anywhere and everywhere. At home, outside, at the shop, everywhere. We are the Siddheshwar Modak Group. What's a mithai?
Grandfather, you have also become a chatterbox like Mithai. If Mr. Bittergourd was here, what would he say?
What?
Nonsense. See, all of them started laughing. Uncle would be here any moment.
May I come in?
Look, Uncle is here. Please come inside. Please come in. We are almost done. We just need to speed up a bit.
Hey, Mithai, tell me, how can we catch up with your speed? Please have a seat. You may need to wait for a while. We did most of the work last night. This setup isn't like our shop, so we are taking a bit more time.
What are you saying? I never said to hurry up. I'm not like your Siddharth. I mean the way he wants everything on time. Where is he?
I saw him going out for jogging. He likes to exercise a lot.
Oh, right. Nowadays, everyone is health conscious. We are the one who are behind sweets.
It's done.
Good.
You please don't worry. We will load everything
Nice
into your
to
car.
hear that.
Aunt Opa, hand me a few packets.
Yes, I'm giving
Mithai,
it to
you
you.
take
Yes, I have.
Come.
Yes.
Oh my, the sweets. Hey, Appa.
Yes.
Wow, are all the sweets already packed?
Yes. Mom, Sulata, actually, we didn't prepare the sweets. Father and Mithai prepared the sweets, and we just helped them a bit.
Listen, uncle, we have loaded all the sweets in your car.
Oh, okay. 1 minute.
Oh, grandfather. Uncle is taking the delivery from home. Why should he pay?
Rightly said. Mr. Ghosh, my granddaughter-in-law has said the right thing. You are picking up from our house. We cannot take the money. Listen, this is a small gift from our side to you. If you kindly let us know how is the taste, I'll be very happy.
No, this is not done.
Of course. It is possible. Previously, it used to happen frequently. Now, this kind of traditions are rare. See, the most important thing is the relationship. And I do believe that you also believe in that. And my granddaughter-in-law also believe in this. So please put the money back to your purse.
You are really embarrassing me.
Why are you embarrassed, uncle? Grandfather is older than you. Then there is no reason for embarrassment. And can't I serve the sweets made by me to my uncle?
See, I don't know what to say. I'm very speechless. But I really want to say something. You have found a diamond. It's rare to meet a girl like her. After some day, I'll come back here with my wife to give our precious feedback about sweets. Mithai, stay happy. Really happy. I'll take a leave now. Namaste.
Namaste.
Siddheshwar Modak has started charity. You have started distributing free sweets. And this will increase the business?
Again? Have you started again, Samrish? What has Mithai done? The gentleman is Siddharth's boss. Don't forget that.
I know that gentleman is Siddharth's boss. So what? He didn't ask for any favors. Everything was ruined because of this girl's bossy attitude. Has she started thinking that she's the boss here? I told you in the beginning itself. This is why I had an objection to her joining the business.
Then why did you tell her to join later?
He did it to humiliate me, right? Please tell them clearly. No, I know. You leave no stone unturned to humiliate me. But Grandpa also chose to walk your path. This really hurts.
Shom! I'll slap you hard if you say this. Your audacity has no limits. How dare you say this in front of everyone?
I'm speaking the truth. Why are you surprised? Don't you know, Grandpa? Do you know something? When you back a person to humiliate another, then that person becomes deadly. You all will realize this later. Anyway, I have a proposal for Siddheshwar Modak's group. You will have to pay me 50,000 rupees every month. If you can provide, then fine. Or I'll be forced to leave the Siddheshwar Modak group.
Scoundrel. Today your mask has finally come off. Look at him, Dad, look. My words are coming true. I won't spare this boy today.
No. Don't you dare touch my collar. I haven't forgotten what Mamuni said to me. That's why I'm not grabbing your collar.